Hey, do you have this problem where when you get access to some wood, you have no time to deal with it, and then you end up with a bunch of check logs, and sometimes you lose them all? This is not mine, by the way. This is basswood here. A friend is storing it. He does small carving, so he doesn't care. But when I started, I got a bunch of wood, and it's under that tarp. They're long logs, so that's one of the solutions, that you don't cut them like this. You leave them at least 4 or 5 feet long, and they will check on the ends, but you can always remove that. But as you can see through my learning experience, I have a bunch of wood here. It could probably still be used, but it will become a smaller piece. This is what you end up with. So after it's been a year and a half of woodturning, I learned about the blank garden, which should look something like this. And if you're a woodturner, you more than likely have one of those too. But if you grab a small area and you do this, you put all your shavings on the ground, and this is empty right now, but I have another one going. This is closer to my truck, so I'll show you. Hey Paco, do you know anything about blanks? How you keep them from cracking? You don't have a clue. Fatso. Anyways, here's my other one. I'm supposed to put a shed here, but because, you know, my driveway's right there, this is a lot closer. So this is wet wood that I brought, and some of them are cut to the length they're supposed to be. So first you make a bed with shavings, you wet the heck out of it, and you put your logs like that. That will also promote spelting if you want to leave them long enough. And let's just see. I don't want to remove too much of it because I need it. But as you can see, there is no chicken. And this has been here for a while. So every few days, I just did it by the way, every few days I remove this. You don't need this little tent that I have on. If you have access to a hose, and just keep wetting this thing once a day or every 2 days. I cover them up. So if you do this in a shady area, you don't need to cover them up. In my case, I get sand several hours here, so I'm covering this one. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope that helps you keep your blanks, and I'll catch up with, actually I'll show you what I'm working with. And I have a few more videos coming up with some walnut that I dealt with, and this is what I'm working on. I have to put feet on this guy. This is one heck of a learning experience for me. I'm gonna lay down there. So it might be a bit of a long video, but you always see videos of people making just bowls and simple things. When you see an artistic piece, there are no videos as to how they're done or how much of an ordeal it is. So I'm gonna try to make a few of those. I have a couple ideas, but anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch up with you soon. And don't subscribe. Go away. Bye.